Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can go into a casino in your GTA San Andreas game. So to go into the casino, first you need to come to this location. The location is right here. If I go on the map, it's called the Four Dragons Casino. It's by this big building and near this ammunition store. So you just need to come here where I have my location is. There's a save file as well. It is a hotel and a casino, and once you come here you can find this big building that's called as the Four Dragons Hotel and Casino. You just need to simply walk in the store, and then after you enter the casino, you can see that there are a lot of slot machines, there are roulette, there's everything. You can just go near one and press T to play them. So that's how you guys can enter the casino and gamble in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.